Hi, my name is Liza Aid and welcome to my tutorial on SPSS. First, we're going to open it to the data set given. We are looking at COVID-19 in the United States. We are then going to look at the descriptive statistics, specifically frequencies. From there, we can make our own histograms. As you follow along, you can do the same. Using the chart module, you will change it to histogram. Then you can click on statistics and we can add other variables that we might want to see, such as standard deviation and variance. Once you press OK, you will get a bunch of information. As you scroll down, you will be able to see your histogram as well as a frequency table. For our histogram, I looked at the frequency of new cases in the United States. There are many useful functions on SPSS. As depicted, we can also look at a linear regression. After picking what variable you want, you can put it into the dependent as well as the factors that will affect it, aka the date for this one. At first I decided to go with new deaths, but I decided to keep it the same and use new cases as well. We then can see much more information and predictions about COVID-19 in the United States. We can also look at the different descriptive variables that are present. In doing so, we go to the Descriptives tab, and we can choose which variables we would like to look at. As you work through SPSS, you can play around and see what works for you and what information you're able to find with the knowledge you have. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on SPSS and more about COVID-19.